Hello learners, welcome to Commerce Teacher Malayalam YouTube channel. B.Ed examination, previous year question papers ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് ഓഫ് ദി ലേണർ സൈക്കോളജി പാർട്ടിൽ നിന്നുള്ള 2 മാർക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് നോക്കുന്നത്. നമുക്കധികം വൈകാതെ തന്നെ വേഗം 2 മാർക്കിന്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. ആദ്യത്തെ ഈഗോഗ്രാം. എന്താണ് ഈഗോഗ്രാം? വാട്ട് 4 മേജർ ചേഞ്ചസ് ഇൻ തിങ്കിങ് ഡ്യൂറിംഗ് പ്രീ ഓപ്പറേഷണൽ പീരീഡ്? What is assimilation according to Piaget theory of cognitive development? Differentiate between aggression and regression. What do you mean by learning disability? What do you mean by socialization? Mention different types of intelligence test. What are the causes of maladjustment? What is LAT, expand, ADHD? നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള എന്താണ് ഈഗോഗ്രാം? An egogram is a bar graph showing the relationship of the parts of the personality to each other and the amount of psychological energy emanating outward. Egogram is an intuitive way of showing how important is each of the functional ego state part in your personality. This was devised by Jack Ducey. Next question is, what 4 major changes in thinking during pre-operational period? The major changes are egocentrism, symbolic representation, animism, irreversibility, centration, pretend, that symbolic play, artificialism. Egocentrism means child inability to see a situation from another person's point of view. Symbolic representation means ability to make one thing, a word or an object stand for something other than itself. Animism means belief that inanimate objects have human feelings and intentions. Irreversibility means inability to reverse the direction of a sequence of events to their starting point. Next question, what is assimilation? According to Piaget theory of cognitive development, assimilation of knowledge occurs when a learner encounters a new idea and must fit that idea into what they already know. Think of this as filling existing containers. Filling new knowledge into established cognitive structure is called assimilation. The basic 3 components to Piaget cognitive theory is schemas, adaptation process that includes equilibrium, assimilation, accommodation process, stages of cognitive development. Next question, differentiate between aggression and regression. Aggression is physical or verbal behavior intended to cause harm either physically or mentally. Form of behavior directed towards the goal of harming or injuring or inflicting damage upon other individual who is motivated to avoid it. It intends to increase social dominance. People can avoid such treatment or may fight back. Regression means common defense mechanism proposed by Anna Freud, whereby the ego reverts to an earlier stage of development, usually in response to stressful situations. Regression functions as form of retreat, enabling a person to psychologically go back in time to a period when the person felt safer. Next question, what do you mean by learning disability? A learning disability is a order in one or more of the basic psychological process involved in understanding or in using language, spoken or written, which disorder may manifest itself in the imperfect ability to listen, think, speak, read, write, spell, or do mathematical calculation. Examples are dyslexia, dyscalculia, dysgraphia, dyspraxia, dysphagia. Next question is, what do you mean by socialization? Socialization is the lifelong process through which people learn the values and norms of a given society. The definition of socialization is the process by which individuals acquire the knowledge, language, social skills and values to conform to the norms and whose required integration into a group or community. Next question, mention different types of intelligence tests. The types of intelligence tests are Whistler Individual Achievement Test, which is Adult Intelligence Scale, Universal Non-Verbal Intelligence, Stanford Binet Intelligence Scales, Reynolds Individual Assessment Scales, Peabody Individual Assessment Test. What are the causes of maladjustment? The causes of maladjustment are unhealthy home environment, heredity causes, poverty, environmental causes, faulty method of teaching, strict discipline, lack of guidance and counseling, lack of recreational facilities, mass media influences. Next one, what is LAT? Language Acquisition Device is a claim from language acquisition research proposed by Noam Chomsky in the 1960s. The LAT concept is a purported instinctive mental capacity which enables an infant to acquire and produce language. This is important theory. It is a component of the nativist theory of language. Final and last question from 2 mark questions. Expand ADHD. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder is a behavior condition that makes focusing on everyday requests and routines challenging. People with ADHD typically have trouble getting organized, staying focused, making realistic plans, and thinking before acting. These are the important previous year questions from 2 mark. Please support, subscribe, like.